There are several ways to operate a single light fixture. Firstly, consider a wall switch. A traditional on or off switch mounted on a wall controls the fixture. Secondly, there is a cord switch. This is a switch located on the cord of the fixture that turns it on and off. Thirdly, a remote control. This is a wireless device that allows operation of the fixture from a distance. Fourthly, use an integrated motion sensor. This is a sensor that detects motion within its range and automatically turns the fixture on or off. Is there such a thing as too many ways to operate a fixture? It depends on the contacts and preferences. Multiple operating methods can provide flexibility and convenience, but they can also be unnecessary or confusing in some cases. Several considerations are in order. Firstly, fixture location. A fixture in a central location might benefit from multiple operating methods, while one in a remote corner may only require a single switch. Secondly, user preferences. Some users may prefer the simplicity of a wall switch, while others may appreciate the convenience of a remote control or motion sensor. Thirdly, aesthetics. Multiple switches or sensors can create a cluttered appearance which may not be desirable in certain settings. Cost is also a factor. More operating methods typically come with a higher initial cost. Ultimately, the number of operating methods for a single fixture should be determined based on the specific requirements and preferences.